It's your boy Cassius Cuvée. Quick breakout prop tutorial on some of the upgrades they had, which are pretty cool, but they've done some more things to the charts here, and you got to know where to find it if you want to customize how this chart looks. Sometimes you open a new chart and things look different. So what I want to do is show you where to find those settings. You're up here, you're like, where's the settings? You actually have to scroll over. That's where you're going to see those settings. So you can expand the toolbar to see the drawings here, or you can scroll over here, swiping over, and then you see chart customization. I like having the crosshairs so I can see the time underneath, but the default a lot of times doesn't have it. So it's just like this. So with the crosshairs on, the other thing I want to do is make sure this is dropped down like that. So you can see any candle I'm on. Let's say I can zoom in on a candle. I can see what the high, the low, the open, the close, and the volume is on that candle. I don't usually like it on because it's kind of in the way. So you click that to turn it off. Go back here. I like the crosshairs on. So this turns off that watermark if you want to see it. This turns off the candle wicks. We can zoom in so you can see a little bit better. If you don't want to see the wicks, I got to see the wicks because scam wicks happen all the time, even on the 1 minute. Then we got the vertical grid if you don't want to turn this stuff off, horizontal grid. This is going to show the high and low. I like having the high and low because it changes depending on where you are. So if you can customize the screen, I set this right here. I want to make sure, okay, what exactly is that high? Okay, it was 905. I've got my stop loss at 909 if it does come up there. So I like having that on, but you can turn it off if you want to. That's the general stuff. Then you've got trading stuff. So trading from the chart. You can customize this anywhere you want. All these little features. This stuff is new. This didn't used to be here. I didn't see it before. At least they did an upgrade. And there's a lot of different information that's on there now. So fool around with this. This is where you see all this extra stuff in the settings. That's kind of the main thing, is that you have to know where to find it. It's over here. When we first got on, I was with customer support, and they didn't know how to find the crosshairs because I opened up a window that didn't have the crosshairs. So I had to come over here to settings, and then I actually figured it out while I was chatting with them. I highly recommend that if you do have any questions and you're in the middle of something, go to customer support, just so you know they're not on the terminal. You've got to go back to your dashboard, and then on the bottom right, you'll see the chat. And that's where you're going to talk to customer support. They're really helpful in my experience. So, don't hesitate. If you guys want to open up a breakout prop account so you can trade, it's for $880, you get access to 100 grand, or just 55, 60 bucks or whatever, you get $5,000. Use my referral link that is in the description of this video. Also follow me on Twitter at Cassius Cuvée. I communicate with folks there. Or any questions, leave a comment in this video, or come to Twitter and ask me there as well. Anything else, anything other videos you guys want to see me make, either on strategy, trading strategy, or just how do you navigate breakout prop, or have any questions, leave it in the comments of this video. Feel free to share it, and tell your friends to use my referral link when they sign up for breakout prop. I think it's a really good platform for new people to try out, because once you put in your money, you know how much you've already spent. Your losses are limited, and then you get to practice trading on here. One key thing I want to call out is that Bitcoin and Ethereum have built-in 5x leverage, and the other coins have 2x leverage. So they do move differently than on other leverage trading platforms. I'm going to have another video about that on strategy with trading and how price action moves, but it's good to start small, start with small positions, and then go from there. You can't lose. You don't want to lose more than 4% in a day, or else your account will get closed, called being breached. And you don't want to do that. So start small and play around with it. Watch these tutorial videos so you're not in the middle of a trade and you don't know how to get out of it. All right, that's it for today, and I'll see you on the next one.